The biggest thing for me was a future. I could see myself being here for a long time. When you walk in, you see the work that gets done, you see the equipment, you see the parts that are coming off the equipment. It's just amazing, and it kind of takes your breath away. There's so much to do, and there's just so much going on. Having that future in front of you is just, it's worth everything.
I chose Carlson for a few reasons. The commute is fantastic. Cedarburg's a great place, very predictable traffic. The opportunities that were presented to me here and offered to me were awesome as well. I'm able to run a 5-axis machine that I've never been able to do before, so they have faith in me that way, which is really nice. And I know a few people that work here, and they've loved it as well.
At the time, I was a student at MATC. My teacher, Mitchell Schultz, told me that if he was out in the field looking for work again, he would actually start at Carlson Tool. Reason being, it's a great work environment. Everyone's friendly. It's a AC shop, you know, so you don't be sweltering hot in the summer months. He also told me as well too, it never gets dull, you know, so you're always learning something new. So that's what led me to Carlson Tool.
I chose Carlson as my next career move because it has a lot of qualities in a workplace I've been looking for, such as retirement percentage matching, HSA contribution, profit sharing, and affordable health care. And ultimately, Carlson has shown me that it's a genuine company and professional at the same time.
I chose Carlson Tool and Manufacturing just because of all the different work that they have in-house. You know, they do gun drilling, and they do honing, and got lathes, mills, they do mold injection, they do a whole bunch of stuff in different fields. I just really thought this business would be in play for a long time, and I can move around and do different stuff all the time. You're never going to get bored here.